Okay, so I told you guys I would do a problem for you. So let's look at page 23, and I'll actually do one of the hardest one I think out of the ones that you had to do. So I'll do number 43. So you have a fountain. Kid doesn't want to get his feet wet, and so like my givens here is the circumference. I'll just say C is equal to 15 meters. And the angle, so I'll put a theta, is equal to 55 degrees. And it's asking what's the height. So I'm going to call that H is equal to question mark. Now this is a trig review. So if we think about what we need in order to solve this problem, is let's say that this is the fountain, and let's have it spitting blue water out. So this is the fountain, and we want to see how high it is. So this height right here, and we know this angle is theta. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some trig, and if I figure out what formula this is, well, I need to know two bits of data in order to figure out what this height is. So I'm going to say that we need to know this length right here, and we can solve for that because we are given the circumference. So breaking this up into a trig function, this is my opposite side, and this is my adjacent side. So the trig function for that is tangent. So I can say tangent of theta is equal to my opposite, so that's going to be my H, over my adjacent, which is my R. And I'm solving for H, so H is going to equal to tangent of theta times R. Okay, so I'm not given R, I just need to find out what that is, so I can come over here and think about, oh, what's my formula for circumference? And circumference is 2 pi r, so therefore r is equal to c over 2 pi. And let me just do this on my calculator real quick. So I get 15 divided by 2 pi, and I get 2.39, and that's in meters. So if I come over here and substitute that in, I get tangent of 55 degrees times my radius, which was 2.39. And let's see what we get here. So tangent, let me check, make sure I'm in degrees, yep. I get tangent of 55 times 2.39, and that gives me 3.41 meters. And that sounds about right. So 3 meters is like 9 feet, so yeah, over a 9-foot fountain. So sounds good, so it checks out. Okay, hope this helps.